I can't talk to you.
By yourself now, you know me before.
I'm picking a beg.
See, I don't have much time. I don't have much. See, before I come back, I don't want to meet this useless thing. Call your son to this house.
See, darling.
Go in there.
See, hey, listen to me, not the shout. It's not a house.
What's happening? They Chris. I go reason you.
After you don't teach me, say me I dey cost my parents for what, they don't pursue me now. I think I go hard for yourself. They tell me.
I want go meet my papa and mama. Will they go fellowship? What did they talk?
Fellow.
I don't go even open door again. I be want to open door my entire house because
John, don't be your friend again. You know, James they talk. Oh.
You be my James, you be my friend. Share you get so as they be now, you'll find.
Mowole fuwa, alagbada iná bàbá mi o. Mowole fuwa, ògbénu mudi aṣòdodo. Mowole fuwa, atofara ti bí òkè wọn ni bàbá. Mowole fuwa o, arúgbó ọjọ́. Mowole fuwa, bàbá àwọn tí ò ní bàbá. Mowole fuwa o, kábíyó màsíò bàbá mi. Mowole fuwa, ògbénu múdí aṣòdodo òdodo bàbá. Mowole fuwa o, arúgbó ọjọ́. Mowole fuwa, mowole fuwa, bàbá o, mowole fuwa, arúgbó ọjọ́. Arabaribiti rabata bàbá, Èdùmàrè ọba, mowole fuwa, Yirimamosia, mowole fuwa.
You're looking good, baby. Hey, where are your brothers? Are you sure?
Yes.
Harry! I thought you said they were inside.
They're inside the house.
Hey, Marcel! Go and call them for me. Tell them I want to see them. We have a very terrible issue to handle now. People now.
Mama.
Papa, sit down. I've been chatting now. Give you one.
Oh, Mama.
Mama.
Good afternoon. Shift.
Hey, my children. I called you people because there's something bothering me. As you all know, since we lost your dad, I've been the one taking care of you guys since then. So right now, I want to know you guys have come of age to start doing different jobs. Hey, right now, you are the head of this family.
Yes, Mama.
Marcel, what do you think you can do now to at least support this family?
Mama, you know, it has been my dream to become a doctor.
Yes.
Don't talk.
What's wrong with you?
My friend, keep quiet.
It's okay. Talk to me, my dear.
Mama, I want to be a doctor so that I can be able to take care of you.
Freedom. I want to know because you know why I'm asking you people this question. So that I will know where I'm going to and where I'm coming from. Because as you can see, we don't have help from anywhere.
Yeah.
Okay. So Freedom, tell me now, what do you think you can do to support this family? You heard your brother, he said he wants to become a doctor. God will help us. So what do you think you can do?
Like you said, Ma, I've heard you. Mama, you don't need to worry. Brother can go to the city. As for me and my brother here, brother, you are with me now. Mama, we did.
I'm 10 times over with you.
What? You want to die in this village? Did you just insult me?
Wait, I don't understand. Do you want to die in this village?
Me? No!
My brother, you are not well.
You want to die?
You are not well.
Okay, wait.
Mama, I hear this head.
Shut up!
Calm down. Are you mad? Okay.
Mama.
I'm not too small for you to respect. I'm sitting right here. You are insulting your elder brother. Since when did you say that rubbish?
Elder brother, my foot.
Oh, elder brother, your foot. No problem. Harry, stand up from that place and apologize to your brother. Else, you will not like what I will do to you this morning.
Mama, calm down.
For me to apologize, I rather apologize to a goat.
Brother, no. Wow.
What are you saying? How can I apologize to a thief?
What?
A criminal? An armed robber? His brother lying. You say that? I don't know. As for me, I'm staying in this village.
Come here, calm down.
Friends, are you with me?
Man said, calm down.
You come here.
What are you going to say?
Mama, you're here. You just come near a thief, Mama. How is it my fault that I speak from this community? Is it my fault?
If your father were to be a leper, you are.
I'm a robber, me, Mama. Mama.
Good afternoon, my husband.
Our wife.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
You look beautiful today.
Thank you, sir.
That's good.
I was on my way to your house. There is something I wanted to discuss with you. I don't know if you will be convenient for us.
Continue, I'm hearing you.
My husband. My late husband's brother. I don't understand that man. The only plot of land my husband left behind is the land he has been dragging with us. Since I lost my husband, I have talked and talked and talked. This man will not give me and my children peace. I don't know how to handle the issue, so I said I should come and report it to you if there is something you can do. Hey, my husband.
Our wife.
My husband.
I've heard what you said. No problem. As you can see, I'm on my way to my friend's house. Let me see. I'm going to inform the rest elders. So we know what to do. Don't worry, okay? Just stop, clean your face, stop crying, don't worry. We know. Don't worry.
Thank you, my husband. Go away.
No?
All right.
No problem.
Mama, tell Smolly to come and walk. Smolly, come and walk.
Leave her alone. What do you want to do?
We will do the work alone.
Inform again.
I'm not here to quarrel with anybody. Let us
Oga, bend down and walk.
Stop it.
Bend down and walk.
There's no cutlass with me now.
Bend down and walk. No cutlass with you. You purposely leave that cutlass so that you will not walk.
But this farm is too big.
You instead of it to kill me. What
Oh, yeah, continue. Yes.
Every sucking lady boy.
Yes.
You can't do anything.
Freedom, don't worry, I'm with you. Oh, yeah.
Supervisor!
Let this thing well.
Hey, my children, lest I forget. You know, if the most evil and the most super, your Uncle Andrew. You know, you all are where he's dragging that father, that's your father's land between you. Have you guys forgotten that land now that I told you dragging with me that I said we should never ever come to?
Yes, Mama.
Uncle Andrew,
Yes, sir.
dragging which land with us?
That small plot of land close to the stream.
And your father let me. I reported him to the other elder. I don't know.
You could have reported the matter to me, to us. Mama, to us.
I will cut him off.
You keep quiet. This is a serious matter. Must you joke with everything?
Am I joking?
Is it a crime that I gave birth to son? God, what is all this now? Okay, I'm bringing serious issue to the table now so that we'll know how to go about
Mama,
it.
forget that one. Last, let me go make you proud. Continue.
Mama, don't go see wicked. Eh? Don't worry, when I grow up, I'll become a
Shut
lawyer.
up.
I'll see him to court.
Is it mouth you will use him becoming a lawyer? When I grow up, I'll become a lawyer. How to become a lawyer?
What are you trying to say? My daughter cannot become a lawyer. Should we put you out of shame?
Mama, wait, let's leave that aspect.
Hey,
Mama,
I'm serious. You know I'm
we
serious.
can't allow that we can't uncle to take that land away from us.
Never.
Freedom.
Never.
Brother, don't worry, we know what to do.
We're only surviving life now.
Yes, but
Brother, chop no. Thank you.
This one, Freedom and area are saying they know what to do. I didn't say you people should go and fight him because that
We are not going to fight with anybody. But Mama, you are free. I will teach that
He's a very evil man, no.
Forget evil.
Your brothers.
My grandfather was a strong native doctor.
Thank you.
Henry,
Where were you when they killed his son?
you have to be very careful.
You people should work and
Let us walk in.
Work
I'm
and
coming. I
I just want to tell you people that
Bring the yam over there. I'm coming.
We really work in the farm.
Mama, I'm tired.
The farm was so
I know you
stressful
are
today.
tired. My children really work today in the farm.
Mama, I'm tired, though.
I know you are tired. Don't
I'm so
worry.
tired. Let's go and eat. Oh.
Will you keep quiet?
Joy, go and cook.
Mr. Food.
Go and cook.
Leave my daughter alone for me. Leave her alone. We have a very serious issue at hand. You are talking about food. Don't worry, I will cook. People will wait.
Mama, without this food, I cannot say
Okay, I should not say anything now because you want
Can you tell me when last did you provide money for this house? Eh? When last did you provide money for this house to cook?
when last did you provide money for this
Brother,
house?
thank you. Brother, when last?
What's it okay? Not everything your younger one say you will answer.
No,
People should not kill me before my time.
Uma
I will
Towe.
not die.
I will not die for this one you are doing. I told you guys before at the farm. That's your uncle issue about our land. What are we going to do about it now?
Uncle Andrew.
This land issue, I don't want to bring courage to this family. I will suggest we hear from the elders before.
What are the elders going to do about it?
Elders.
Yes, of course.
Do we have elders in this
Let's
town?
hear from the elders
Leave
first.
elders. All those children elders.
Brother, what have the elders done for us since Papa died? Eh? Brother, have you heard him?
Freedom, at least let's hear from
He
them
is saying
first.
rubbish.
Let's hear from our elders first.
This is it. You are talking about elders. Elders, they don't have sense. The elders we have in this land. Coconuts.
Ubom. Ubom. Brother, is correct.
Stop stressing yourself. I will handle this matter personally. Freedom, are you
What
with
do you
me?
want to handle? This matter is beyond you. You can't handle this matter.
Aside from the fact that you are the first one of this family, you don't have right to talk to me anyhow.
Wait, Henry! How many times did I call you?
Mama, forget.
Henry.
Mama, forget that one. Brother Henry, let's go.
I don't understand.
Mama,
Though.
Okay, you
come
go
on,
on.
take your
I want to go and eat. Oh.
Let's go.
I personally will go to that man's house.
What's wrong with you? Leave my daughter alone. Are you mad? Come on, leave my daughter alone. Go and sit down. You people will starve.
Mama, it's okay.
No, listen. You see your younger brothers. I'm not sure if they are clear. They used to talk all this rubbish they are saying.
Mama, I'm not sure at all.
Hey, Imase! Come here. To harvest my cassava.
I thought this is my mother's farm, Mo.
Does this farm look like your father's or mother's farm? See, I will report you to my co-elder.
Oh, my elder, please, I'm sorry. Please, I'm
Sorry for what?
I'm messing on me. I'm sorry.
I will show you who am I today. Hey, wo.
Yeah.
Agboko! Hey! Elder Andrew we. Hey!
Brother, you know what? I don't want anybody to hear what I'm about to tell you now. I want the both of us to go to that man's house.
Uncle Andrew, brother, you know what I'm thinking? Let's teach him a lesson. How can that man take that little plot of land that Papa left for us? Is it crazy?
And that is the land I even want to inherit to. Yeah, now.
But I'll join you now. Give me small share.
No problem. I will cut her for even if for you to just build one room. Yes. You understand? Yes. Hey, let's go now.
I trust you.
Where you guys going to? Brother, where are you going to? Okay. You are going to Oku's house to go and fight him. I'll go and tell Mama at home.
We will first of all unleash the fight on you. Are you stupid? Have you finished cooking?
Go with that our last bowl.
Don't mind. Rubbish.
That man that our mother has children that are very tough. You understand? Let's go.
But I trust me now. Okay.
I'm just coming back from that plot of land I told you the other day. The one that my late brother left behind. According to tradition, I'm now in the position to take care of that land and the wife. I went there this afternoon to go and check. I made them still clearing that land. They want to plant something on that land. Right, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. But whatever they see from that land, they should bear it. Because I will not talk to them again, leave it that land for me. Whatever they see from me, they will bear it.
Sweetie, does you know what you are doing is not right?
That's the only plot of land her late husband left for them.
What are you even saying? What are you saying? Eh? I don't understand. What are you trying to say?
Are you not telling me that I should leave that land for those Ibisad?
Sure, that's
Those
not
ungrateful.
what I'm saying.
What am I saying?
I'm just saying that you should just have pity on them, please.
Pity what?
Sure.
What do you
I'm
want to
talking
pity?
you.
What do you want to pity?
Who is there? I will break this gate, oh.
Okay.
I will break this gate.
Oh.
Who is there? Who are those Ibisad? You want to put out that gate? Eh? Who is there?
We want to speak with Okoaju. Yes.
My son, go and check who is at the gate.
Open this gate. We will break this gate. 1, 2, 3.
Open this gate.
Young man, open this gate. Young man, open this gate. If you don't want my trouble, open this gate.
What are you looking for?
Una, open this gate. Eh?
Your father.
Your
Open this gate.
Open the gate. I have no problem.
You are hoping no problem. Are you okay? Where's your father? Where's your father?
Wait.
I will cut you. Where's your father? Eh?
My father is not.
No. Let's go and meet him.
Come down now.
Uncle Andrew.
Andrew.
Uncle Andrew, where are you? Come out.
Come out, oh, Mr. Andrew. Okay.
Come out.
Yeah. Oh. Somebody will die here today. Oh.
Come out, oh.
Una.
We will destroy this house.
Okay.
It's an Uncle Friday's children, Henry and Freedom.
Henry
They
and
are
Freedom.
looking for you.
Come out.
Come out, oh.
You go. These children have not developed wings now. They came to my house. We are shouting.
Papa, they were fighting with me outside though. They said they are looking for you.
They even fought you.
Yes, sir.
We want to
See
kill you.
what I was saying.
What are you
Come
saying?
outside. What are you saying?
I can be very dangerous when holding compass.
Okay.
Come outside.
Okay.
Come outside, oh.
That will be all over my dead body.
Okay.
I will not leave that plot of land for those people.
Who is receiving?
Come and say that to my face.
Okay, brother.
Come out, oh.
Brother, let's make it 3
If I leave that plot of land for them, how am I
Who
going
is
to
receiving
feed
3
you?
visitors?
If you know you are man enough, come out.
Come out, oh, Mr.
Come
Andrew.
out.
What? Okay. You are forming strong man, Abi.
So those children of Ibenside came to my house. Eh? They even fought you, right? That plot of land, there's no how I'm going to leave that plot of land for those witches and wizards.
Maybe you like.
I like.
Yes.
Come out, oh.
I remember when I pay your diary. Am I owing them? I'm not owing your father. So you are talking back at me now. My son, let's go and see those.
Yes, so come on.
Come outside. Follow me.
I will burn down this house.
Come outside,
do
oh.
those quests.
I will burn down this house.
Una, come outside, oh. Come outside.
Yes.
Okay.
No. It's okay. No, it's okay. It's okay, wait.
Oh.
Uncle Andrew. No, wait. We are here to warn you on behalf of our mother and our useless person. Stay off that land. I can be very dangerous when holding this thing. I can cut. Stay off that land.
Uncle, it's the one you.
Stay off that
It's the
land.
one you.
We just came here to warn you. You. Tell your
You came
father.
to my house.
Tell your father to stay off that land.
With a machete. Know that your father is not last. You came to my house with a machete. You think that plot of land, I'm going to leave it for that your useless mother?
Be ready to die. Be ready to die.
All the parties my left brother left behind.
What is
I'm
this
not
for
going
saying?
to leave it to that your useless mother. She's a win. She killed my brother.
I accept. That is not the problem. But the next time we will come here,
You can't do anything.
Uncle,
You cannot do anything.
Uncle,
You hear from me.
Uncle,
You hear from me.
Freedom, let's go. No, let's go.
You can't do me anything. We shall see.
I can't do you anything. I can't do you anything.
We shall see.
Don't worry.
Since someone that killed my brother just to take over those property, you shall not be well with you.
That is how your wife will kill you.
There's no problem.
Your wife will also kill you.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
Don't worry.
A child that dance to the beat of the spirit
I'm not dancing, I'm standing.
end up with the
I'm not dancing, I'm standing.
Let me tell you, man.
I have told you my mind.
There's no problem.
Don't worry. You will hear from us very soon.
We
Nonsense.
shall see.
Nonsense. What rubbish? You. No, let's go.
And that's for our land. I agree to you. The reason why I call this meeting is because of our late brother's wife, Miss. On my way coming to your house yesterday, I saw her. She was complaining to me about Elder Andrew. Elder Andrew is trying to collect the plot of land his husband left for her. So that's why I'm here, so that we know what to do. I don't understand Elder Andrew. So let's deliberate on this issue.
Elder Matthew, from my own view, there is nothing wrong with what Elder Andrew is trying to do.
Will you shut up?
Elder Andrew has the full right to take over his brother's property.
Why?
Including his wife.
It cannot happen.
Elder Paul, shut up. This man is an evil man. This is a taboo.
My elder, what are you not saying? Oh, you people could lie together. You brought me here to insult me, right?
Minus me.
Are you trying to tell me that I don't have the right over my late brother's property, including his wife? According to our tradition, if your brother is dead, leaving his wife behind, I should be the one taking care of her.
Thank you.
Are you not trying to tell me that the plot of land I'm trying to take, I don't have rights?
Andrew, sorry to say this, you are a big fool.
Big one. What are you people trying to say?
Leave them.
Elder Andrew has the full right.
Keep quiet!
Shut up.
Oh! Even including his wife and children. Including his wife and children. All the property.
Elder, my elder, if a child wants to know what killed his father, he will go through what killed his father.
Thank you.
And what I'm trying to tell you is that I have the full right to take over what my late brother left behind. And if you think you can stop me from taking it, you stop me.
No problem.
My elder,
There is no problem.
we shall see.
We shall see too.
We shall
There
see.
is nothing you people
Get
can do.
away!
Where are you going?
Two birds have the same
You
feathers.
shall see
Get
too.
away!
You shall
Let's
see
go.
too. Remove your hand from that land. Remove your hand from that land.
Leave them alone.
We shall see.
Foolish people. Nonsense.
Mom must hear this. Just imagine, those two nonsense people called children came to my house. I told them they will help me. Ezemo,
Yes, my son.
I'm in big trouble.
When I'm around.
Our people will say, it's only a foolish man sleep when his roof is on fire.
Yes.
Ezemo,
Yes, my son.
my late brother's wife and her children, they are tormenting me.
Yeah. I understand you don't do. I know where you are going, my son. That one is not problem. I will help you.
Okay.
This one is a small thing. Mụnwa bụ osisi ego a na-agbara ọsọ n'ọfịa. Ụmụ a nọdụrụ ebe a.
Yes. Anyị je bata. Ịnọkwa ọlụ, ịnọ ọlụ. Unu je bata. Unu je bata. Ne ya nnu.
Say it here. What I'm saying, you will not say it, my son. I will help you.
Gwamoku. Anugomu. Si gwamoku.
Ezemo, I'm in pain.
Yes.
I am tired.
My son.
They want to take what belongs to me in this village. Ezemo, when my brother died, I'm not the next person to take over all his property. Both the wealth and the pieces of land he left behind. But the children and the wife don't want me to enjoy my rights. Ezemo, I want to kill.
My son.
Ezemo, I want to destroy.
That one is too small for me to do.
All right.
Hey,
Ezemo.
Take this. My son.
Ezemo.
Let me tell you. Okirikiri can ebuko sade eli. You see this, eh?
Ezemo.
This can clear the whole family.
I never doubted your word.
Okay, my son.
You have done it for me before. I believe you still do it again.
Oh, mu one no eba. Unu po eba. Unu je bata. Unu je egwu je bata. Kai. Okirikiri can ebuko sade ali enu. Yes. Okay.
Why now?
Yes, who is that? Ah, Juliet. Good afternoon. How are you?
I missed you too.
You're not looking bad. You look.
Where's your husband?
My husband. He went out.
Okay. You're looking good. Enjoyment.
You used to.
Anyway, I came to talk to you. Came to talk to you about your husband.
My husband.
Yes, about your husband.
My husband.
Yes. Because he's being wicked to his late brother's children, which is not fair.
You're not making sense.
I'm not making sense. See, are you trying to tell me that you don't know that your husband is wicked? Or that he's trying to collect what does not belong to him?
Juliet, he's not trying to collect, but I've been convincing him that what he's about to do is not right.
Really?
It's wrong.
He's not
Yes.
trying to collect. Then what is he trying to do?
Juliet, I'm even tired of this whole thing. I tried convincing him, but he doesn't listen to me. He doesn't take my advice. I'm even confused. I don't know what to do. I don't even know how to tell him.
Don't tell me that. He's your husband. You know how to talk to him. Try harder. You better try.
Juliet, believe
Try,
me.
because he, hey,
You know I'm not in
try.
support of what
He's
he's
getting too much in
doing.
this village. Even your son.
Juliet.
Even your son is too much. Oh. Try harder.
Even your son what? Even your son what?
Don't see your
You don't
father
came to
is
say.
not good. Shame.
See,
Shame.
I don't want to see you this Saturday. Just pack
Whether
your
you
road
want
and
to
go.
see me or
Just
not,
pack your road and
what
leave
you
this
are
house,
doing
okay?
is not
Pack your road and leave this house.
Shame. Tell your father to change. He's too wicked. Change from where he always
Tip it to you. Oh, God. I'm even tired.
Cross. Give me 7. Damn well. Fire.
Man, all this plate, man, give me deal. Bros, after you see my give it.
You can't even take this. Because I'm the person for you. I'm not your customer, don't worry you.
No customer for this one, and they pay my money. You see my give it there.
You go find an I better how much be this so I give me a call for you, Jerry.
I better not I need to stash you.
I know that stuff. Look at this girl for market. What they want to see what see. Bro, in my pocket.
I go slap see this. What be this one?
This
What be this one? What be this one? What be this one? Man, I can't see thief for. Hey, bro.
I go play.
See thief, bro.
How many months ago? The useless things that Abu posted yourself. I don't check it.
Who is in this house?
I think someone is not.
My son. How are you?
Who is your son? Son.
Anyway, is your father at home?
Father? Why are you looking for him?
Is your father at home? I want to see him.
Okay, the same way you sent your children here to come and fight us. That's not enough, so you came by yourself, right? You better leave here now. You better leave this place now. Okay, your assistant here. Wait for me, let me go and call my father.
Christian, wait. Is someone you're telling me about?
Yes, she's the woman.
That she's wicked and the children are also wicked.
The mother of a thief.
Oh God, mother of a thief.
Yes.
Madam, better leave this place.
Wait
You
for me.
better leave this
Wait for me,
place.
let me go and call my
You
father.
better leave this place. No, it's good for you.
Okay, I sent you to insult me too.
Just leave here because I want.
Hey.
Just leave this place. No, it's good for you.
Wait now. Wait. Let us not come.
Gary.
Did you even say Gary to eat? I'm not even happy. My dear, manage.
Yesterday I managed it. Today is the same thing.
Come and eat my neck. Are you the person of this family? Come and eat my neck.
Mama, I'm trying. I'm trying.
You are trying. By the way, where is your brother?
Who? This is my brother.
Okay, you don't know them.
I don't have brother.
Madam, where is your brother? Okay.
These people don't want to let this village have peace. Eh? These These people, they are terrorizing everywhere.
Mama.
Just imagine. Yeah? They will not sit down the way they are.
By the time I become a doctor.
Just imagine. They will not let these village people have peace. They are terrorizing everywhere. Eh?
My uncle.
Eh? And I've been shouting since.
Hmm? Uncle, what do you want
Stop
from
talking
us?
about it. Stop talking when I'm talking.
Good afternoon.
Eh? What is good about this afternoon?
My husband.
Who is your husband? The way you killed my brother. See, let me tell you. You don't know what you are doing in this village. And I promise you one day, you will be exposed. Meanwhile, I'm just coming from Eda Oko's house. And he was telling me about a missing goat. He said that he left his goat outside, but the goat is not yet to be found now. I know that he's one of the useless sons.
What?
I know that he's one of the useless sons that stole that goat. Why you saying?
Uncle?
What is uncle? Stop uncle.
I say sit down.
Shut up your mouth.
Why do you want to accuse me of what I know nothing about?
Yeah, seriously? Like you don't know anything about it. Eh?
Mama, uncle is lying.
The other day, you were looking for a fowl. Are you going to tell me that you're not the one that stole that goat from Eda?
You will soon tell me what you are looking for in this family that you've not seen.
I should tell you.
You will soon tell
all
me.
the properties my brother left behind,
Oh.
including you. I'm the one that's supposed to take over.
Is that what you want?
I see.
If that's what
You want to take over your late brother property?
Come and have it.
When you have children, do you know that you have
Shut up,
children?
I'm talking, you are talking.
Come and have
Who is
it.
this criminal?
Property.
I
I've
see.
left the land for you. What else do you want? Do you want to kill me and leave these children? Do you want to kill me? Okay, now my son stole a goat. Thank you. I've heard. Are you the owner of the goat? That you are looking for a way to enter.
Oh!
Shut up,
Are you the
Is it
owner
your goat?
Shut up, mama.
Let me tell you something.
Just listen to
Are you the
yourself.
owner of the goat?
So you are backing up your son. Eh?
No, I will give him to you to kill.
What is the reason you sent those your useless son to my house?
It's your son that is your son is wayward. Your wayward son.
Are you talking to me like this?
Yes, of course.
Let me tell you, you must
Alright,
say
no
sit
problem.
down. Let me tell you.
We shall see.
The fact that my son is a thief, I'm proud of him. He's not as useless as your son.
Mama, start here.
Mind yourself in this compound, though.
Mama,
yourself.
Mama,
I am proud of my son. Don't make this your stupid uncle. Can you imagine he came here to accuse my son of stealing a goat?
After warning you, you still have the guts to come to this family, right?
Uncle, let me
Before
tell
the
you
count
something.
of 3. Vamos.
Shut up your mouth.
Uncle, wait.
You people should let him away.
Uncle, leave. Uncle, leave.
Useless man.
Idiot.
Nonsense.
They are left with this
Mama, it's okay. Mama,
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. You guys are able to keep that. It's okay, it's okay.
It's okay.
Good evening, my son. Good evening.
You sent for me.
Bam. You are welcome, my son. So,
Thank you, my
you are
elders.
very, very welcome. The reason why I called you here is because of what I've been hearing about you. You know, I can't sit down and watch my own friend, your late father, son, misbehaving. No. Can't happen. When I'm still alive, no. That's why I called you here personally. You know, this your way of now behavior, I don't understand it again. I'm hearing many things about you, the way you are stealing, do all sorts of kind of things, which is bad. Your father was not like this. I know your father right from childhood. That's why I called you here. We need to settle some things.
My elders, I've heard what you said, but I don't understand myself. I don't know the reason why I steal. It's not joining my blood to steal, but sometimes I just find myself stealing what does not belong to me. Please, my elders, please help me. If you have anything to help me, please do.
Son, don't worry. We are going to help you. That's why we summon you here. For your sake, we have went far.
Cross many rivers.
To different places to seek out solution just because of you.
Pastors.
We love you so much. Me and my elder here.
Thank you, my elders.
Yeah, thank you. God bless you. And also, we went to one native doctor's house, and he said you should ask your mother. I don't understand the meaning of that. You should ask her. You have to question your mom.
She knows.
Sit her down.
Ask her. She knows.
You mean my mother? My elders, do you know what you are saying at all? I should go and ask my mother.
That's what the God says.
We are going to.
These life-giving waters are opening up exciting new.
We are just trying to help, seeking for solution to your problem. I know this is not you. No, this is not you.
My elders.
Something wrong somewhere. That's why we said you should ask your mom. Ask your mom. Sit her down and ask her question.
You are accusing my mother.
We are not accusing your mom. But as an elder, what we can see, you can see it. So better do what we said, okay? That's what I have to tell you.
Your solution is not best enough.
No problem now. Now they not kill you.
Hello, Ibu.
I'm sorry, it's not my fault, I'm sorry. Please take, I don't need it again. I don't need it again. Yo, I know you. Please, now, shut up. I'm sorry.
I'm going to punish you.
Realize without you I cannot make it. I know that outside you I'm in.
Brother Marcel. Brother Marcel. Brother Marcel. Brother. What's wrong with you?
Nothing.
What is it? What are you thinking?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
Are you sure?
I said I'm fine. Where's Mama?
If she's inside. Okay, if you say you are fine, there's no problem. But I came to talk to you.
Talk to me? I hope there's no problem.
Yes, there is a problem. Brother, there's this news that I heard that I'm finding it difficult to believe. Brother, is it true that you are a thief?
Me? A thief?
Brother, the news is all over the village. They said you steal from people. And I'm finding it difficult to believe. I said I should come and ask you as my brother to know if it is true or not.
Joe, I don't have much to say to you. But let me ask you this question. Do you believe what they say?
But I don't believe them. If I had believed them, I wouldn't have come to ask you. I know you can't steal. I trust you.
Joe, you know your brother now. I can't steal.
I know.
See, let me tell you something. Don't believe what the villagers are saying. They are just jealous. They are jealous because I want to be a medical doctor. They are jealous of me. That's why they want to spoil my image, spoil my lineage in this community. Joe, no worry, I'll make you proud, okay? I'll take you to the city. Don't worry. Okay?
Okay, brother.
Alright.
Freedom! Brother me.
What's up now?
Brother, I just do.
What are you doing?
Brother, I'm planning on our next strike.
Strike to where?
Yes, brother, I have a new target.
What's the target?
Yes, let me tell you, brother. Brother, I was thinking we should pay Elder Paul a visit.
Elder Paul?
Yes.
Elder Paul.
Don't you know him? That black tall man.
That man is a good man, oh.
Good man, for what thing?
Elder Paul.
Brother, don't even go there. He's not a good man at all. He's not a good man. He's not in good side with Mama. The other day we were coming from the farm. We were looking at Mama. The way he was looking at Mama, I don't like it. I don't like it.
That eye stuff.
Thank you. Brother Henry, just know. So, what I want us to do, I want us to visit him and give him a surprise welcome.
Package?
Yeah.
That would be very good, though.
Exactly.
So when are we striking?
Don't worry, I have a plan. Trust me, brother Henry. I have a plan. Come, let me take it.
Anyway, just sit down. Talk to me. Nobody's at home. Confirm now. That was they were.
Good afternoon, sir.
Smell what?
I want to talk to you guys.
At your mate or waiting?
The next time I want to talk to you guys, supposed to hear me out first. Brother, why you people calling brother Max a thief? Eh?
When did you start questioning us in this house, eh? But hey, allow me to slap this girl.
No, wait. Talk to her. Mouth to mouth.
Him a thief. I trust him. He can never steal in his life. Eh?
Freedom. Yeah. You know there are a lot of mistakes in this family.
But I wish of the mistake. Because we have so many mistakes in this family. Like Brother Mansfield and Joy, they are not supposed to be part of this family.
The real mistake. That's the real mistake. They are not our blood.
Brother, I'm not suspecting this girl now have a boyfriend.
Aside from boyfriend, I don't think we have the same father. No, wait. I don't think. Don't strike yet now. Your blood is too hot. Are you sure you are even my brother?
So we are not mistakes in this family. I've told you people stop calling brother Mansfield a thief.
This girl have grown wings, eh?
No,
brother.
Wait. I don't just want that story. Should we leave this house?
Brother, I don't just know.
We don't have any place to go to.
Brother, what if we pursue Brother Mansfield and Joy out of this house?
He's the first, no, Sha. But
Mama will not agree.
Let's first of all go and pay that my visit.
Brother.
Let's go. Where's your class?
Michael class. Brother, I left it.
Let's go.
I left it in the room. Let me go and get it. Brother, he's coming.
Pata. Relax.
Hey! One month at that Paul. What's going on?
Yeah.
Paul.
What? See.
Go down.
Okay, I'll slap you.
Huh?
Look at these children of a bad father. You guys go.
Mama, you get pepper?
No, I'm not pepper.
Say pepper now. Mama, not my fault, Jerry. My stew dey fire. Give me pepper, 18 naira.
How much pepper you want buy?
18 naira. Don't pepper 18 naira, so. Mama, don't eat your tomatoes. You no go face your market. Which one? Because you don't carry tomatoes. Which one? Now, let me tomatoes there.
Hold on. The breast, why you keep my tomato now?
So now.
See the tomato.
That's why for you. Eh? They say now only you for before you come.
Mama.
When I got 50 for.
Look at me, straight man. Look at my waist. Hey, God. Oh.
Aduro. Hey, my very good friend, what is happening to you?
Is it not your late brother's children?
What about my late brother's children?
Okay. Am I like this before?
You mean they beat you up?
Thank you very much. If you see the way they beat me.
Those children have beaten more than what they can chew.
See, I don't know what to do.
Do you know that those useless children came to my house to chase me? They almost butchered me.
You are very lucky, my friend. You are very lucky.
If
not, wait, don't touch me. You know, it's very painful.
This is so much serious.
So critical, my friend.
You leave my late brother's children.
Those children.
Did this to you?
Those ruminants.
Don't worry. He that fight and run away must live to fight another day.
Thank you.
They will hear from me.
Let me go.
I will deal with them.
Let me go and gather my strength.
Sorry, my friend.
No, don't touch me.
Hey, these children. Hey, they have beaten more than they can chew.
Mama.
What do you want buy?
Mama, na rice. How much did they sell?
3 cup 200.
Take that one. Mama, baby, now they go out and eat rice. They say oil. You even take off for oil now. Mama, give me that man, they come out, yo.
No, wait, Ross, come from. They say you can't something.
Wait,
Ross, wait now.
come here, I can tell himself.
They say you can't something there. Wait. Not shout. Wait. Ross. Yeah. Come on. Come
here for buy this one.
You don't cut it for here again.
See what you carry.
The one that beat you that they don't want nobody. You can't buy the thief again. Men are the beat. Men are thief.
Carry it. It's not just from that farm. Don't worry, I'll help you.
You take it now.
Forget about wound. Thank God you are not from that family.
Which family?
That family, nah, Marcel's family. That's it.
Hi. My sister. Hi. That Marcel's family, eh? Hey. Remember your mother said Marcel want to become a medical doctor.
Make it
now,
medical doctor my foot. Which medical doctor? That thief.
I don't know.
He's a thief.
Marcel has now become a thief.
My sister.
Not medical doctor.
Leave medical doctor. He's a thief. Carry wood. Let's go.
You help me now.
Yeah, carry it now. Don't worry, I'll help you.
Okay. Hey, that is my sister. Oh.
See. Let me hold this one.
I won't talk to you again.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
That Jonathan.
Yes, my
Is this
son.
not you?
Yeah,
Well, after insulting my father in the meeting, you think it's over, right?
What did that do again?
Shut up your mouth. You insult my father in the meeting.
Oh, I'm just standing for the truth now.
Which truth?
Not for the
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the truth, for the truth, for the truth.
I'm thinking,
Brother, what?
The way this news is circulating around the village, the thing is doing me somehow.
What is?
About your brother now, Marcel.
Brother, that comes to remind me of something.
What's that?
Brother, you are right too. But that situation is getting out of hands.
So what should we do now to help him as his brothers?
But I don't know.
Because you know we are facing so much challenges in our family now, you understand?
Exactly, brother. Although I was thinking, whether we should go and see Ezemo, if he can even see any solution to our brother's problem.
So you know, Mama told us to be Christians now. You understand? So I prefer we should follow the ways of God.
Brother, you know me now. I'm a Dagbo.
Even me, I'm a Dagbo.
I don't believe in this Christian pastor, fake pastor.
Even native doctor, don't believe. It's better we just be on our own. Don't believe anybody.
Brother, you are right.
So what are we not going to do?
Although, like you said, maybe we should go and see a pastor.
See a pastor?
Yes, tell him about our brother's condition. Let's see if he can even help.
I cannot go and see a pastor.
Nah, sure.
The best thing is, let's just go and meet Mama. And tell Mama that she and Joy should go and see the pastor.
Brother, you are right.
Yeah, now.
Because if I get there, I must steal something from the offering boss.
Apart from stealing, you know, we are so rude, you understand?
Exactly, brother.
We can even decide to beat up the man of God.
Exactly. Because I was eyeing one girl in that church, The pastor was doing me like this. I came to that church. Cynthia. Cynthia.
Don't even try it.
Brother.
That's my future wife.
Hey, brother, don't go there, brother. Don't leave that girl alone, no.
My children, you know, I called you guys here due to the situation on ground. But for these past few years, we've been through a lot. Trials and temptation attacked from different angles. To an extent, we almost give up on ourselves. So So right now, Marcel, your younger brothers advised me on going to see a pastor. So I went, and the pastor told me something. The problem we've been going through, your habit of stealing everything, the both of you acting like arrogant persons, everything, they are from these are from. My dear.
You mean all I've been passing through is from this family?
My son, yes. That was what the pastor told me. So right now, please, Harry and Freedom,
Mama?
you have to calm down. Because I've come to realize that this whole issue are not just a physical something we can handle with cutlass and machete and everything. No.
In some cases,
Harry, for once, can you for once behave yourself? Everything is not all about violence.
Mama is right now.
He's right.
Yes.
And you should go and kill yourself now. Look for the person that is struggling in his family. What is all this?
Look at the person that is struggling in his family. That is myself.
Hey.
Are you mad or something?
I must say it's okay. I've come to realize that whoever it is that is troubling this our house, this our family, the person is really ready to scatter all of you. And not while I'm still alive. I will not allow that. I will never allow it. I will fight to the bottom. Whatever it takes me to stop all this rubbish from my family. What is all this? Fighting as if you are from different mothers?
If you want to stop these things that are going on, then just kill that boy.
Oh, I should kill him.
Mama, wait.
Shut up there, you are very stupid.
Mama.
Somebody rubbish.
Mama, it's okay. This is no time to shout.
Henry, carry knife and kill your brother by yourself.
Mama, have you noticed something in this family? There's a mistake in this family.
Hey.
Mama, brother Maxwell and Joy, they are not supposed to be in this family.
I'm not a mistake.
Are you sure they are our blood? I don't even understand.
No. Harry, are you now accusing me of sleeping with another man to give birth to him?
Oh. Maybe it's direct from God.
Mama, brother didn't say that.
Whatever. Hey, listen. Whatever spirit that is using the two of you, I will not allow that sense.
Mama, just go straight to the point why you call for this.
No problem. You guys have tried. So we are going to fast and pray. Yes.
Mama, this house.
Yes.
Fast. Pray.
Look at them. Gluttons.
Mama, having this is money.
You will fast and pray.
It's very simple.
You are okay with the problem.
You will do the fast while we do the praying.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay,
Mama,
you guys are not ready for fasting.
Mama, let's share it.
Is it not when I cook you eat?
Let's share it, Mama.
So rise up on your feet. We are praying now.
Mama, 12 days fast.
Mama,
we pray.
you mean now?
Mama, pray.
Marcy, are you happy with the condition you are right now? Hey.
Mama, wait a minute.
Hey!
Mama, how about this morning?
Look at a thief.
You are seriously talking about food?
Mama, oh!
So you are happy with
up
the
for the stealing and everything.
Do you remember years back you told me you want to become a medical doctor?
It's the only God to you.
Mama, my fault that my dream is
Then
shattered
why am I
already.
bringing solution to your problem right there?
My guy, see, you are the one who shattered your
I said I don't
dream.
pray for you. Stand up, let's pray. If you're not ready to pray, you get out from here.
Yes, Barabosha.
Oh, yes.
I believe in prayer. I believe.
I'm grateful, oh Lord. We are grateful, oh Lord, for all you have done for us. Hallelujah. We are grateful, oh Lord. As a family, we are going to open our mouth and sanctify this house with the blood of Jesus. Come on, open your mouth and begin to talk
Father,
to
in the
God. My
mighty name
Father,
of
my
Jesus,
Maker,
King
Lord,
of glory,
I
chains of
stand in
this
your
zodiac.
Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Lord.
Okay, what's wrong with him? Come ahead, raise him up. What's wrong with you?
Uncle, what's the problem now?
What is it?
People, hey!
You will just confess.
Confess. Freedom.
You keep my money.
You see? This is where the problem lies.
You said your boy.
Wait, you go to wait. Let us hear more.
My wife, I'm sorry. Who is your wife? May Toda strike you.
Big Tota. Wait.
Remember when you told me you want to send your son to Obodoyibo to go and study medicine?
Marcel! What were you doing? I've been shouting your name.
I was playing in the backyard.
Okay. Where are your brothers and your sister?
They are inside.
Okay, my son. I called you here to talk to you, my son. You know, as it stands right now, I'm the only one taking care of you and your siblings.
Yes, Mama.
And you know you are the eldest. So please, my son, you need to be a good boy. A very good boy, because it is whatever steps you take, your younger ones will take along with you. Hope you're understanding me.
Yes, Mama. Okay, Mama.
I don't want you people to put me to shame, so that the villagers will not be laughing at us. Please, that's why I'm trying my best to make sure you all go to school and be good boys. But don't worry, everything will be fine soon, okay?
Don't worry, Mama. When I grow up, I'll become a medical doctor. I'll remove you from this suffering.
Thank you, my son. I know you will make me proud someday, okay? Don't worry. And just go inside and enjoy your siblings. I'll be with you guys.
Amala welele kanini
Baby, you are here. Baby, there's something I want us to discuss.
Okay.
It's about your late brother's family.
Okay. What happened to the family?
Nothing. Baby, you know life is not easier for them, but I just want you. I don't know if you can assist them one way or the other, please.
I've told you many times. You shouldn't be disturbing me with my late brother's issue. The wicked wife he married. I told you right from the beginning she not marry that woman. But she killed him just because she wanted to take over the property. Okay, I'm not running charity home here. Or you want me to go and check on them so that I can give them the money I'm supposed to do something important? Is that what you want me to do?
Sweet, it's your responsibility for you to care for them. You know it's your late brother's children also now. You need to care for them, to check up on them, how they are faring. That's what I want to do, please.
I'm sorry to disappoint you. I don't have money. I don't have time to go and check on my late brother's family.
You understand what I'm saying? And let there be the first and last. You ever bring up this issue?
Baby, please now.
Don't tell me please. Don't tell me please. I won't take that from you. So whatever happens to them, they should bear it because I don't have money to be spending anyhow. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, and I have meeting to attend now. Is the food not ready yet? Give me food.
Who is in this house?
People from here, I want to
my husband.
meeting to
Good afternoon.
attend.
Mama, next.
How are you now? How is your son?
My nice family.
Oh, thank God. Oh, thank God. Thank you, Jerry. Thank you, my husband. This is why you are at home today. Well, I came to see you.
I was actually cooking.
Okay. Okay, my dear. Thank you. Hey, my husband, I came to see you. There's something I've come to discuss with you.
Okay, alright.
You know, it's been 2 years since I lost my husband and it has not been easy for me and the kids. I don't know. So I thought maybe there's any way you can assist us. And secondly, I came to tell you that land my husband left for us, I want to sell it so I can use it to take Master to school. You know, he's the headest. So at least he should go to school and he said he want to become a medical doctor. Let me see if I can raise some money from that land and help him to achieve his dream. So that was why I came to see you.
I've heard you. The reason you came to this place, you are seeking for my permission, right? You also want to become a doctor. So you want to sell the land my only brother left behind, so I can take him to school. It's okay, it's okay. I know you need money. Since my brother died, I'll be struggling alone. I understand what you are saying. I will see what I can do so that you take your son to the city to attend the best school. Nah, don't mention.
My God richly bless you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
You know, you're the only one my brother left behind.
Yes.
So it's my duty to take care of you and your children.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Hey, let me rush home to check on the children.
Oh, there's no problem. My regards to them.
Thank you, my husband.
Thank you. Welcome.
Yes, sir. My regards to your wife and your son.
And there's no problem. You'll hear it from me.
Okay.
Where is this woman? Is the food not ready yet? So this woman don't have fear. You have the guts to come to my house and start saying some nonsense. The only land my late brother left for me, you want to sell it so you can send your useless son to go and study medical doctor while my son will be in this village. There's no problem. You will hear from me.
Oh, God of my forefathers, I greet you. Oh, Azanu. Otinumu Osinabe. Oh, Oviaye. Let your spirit be in this place. Mavaye. Pardon the river. Oh, I greet you all. I greet you all. Vamiere.
Good day, Baba.
Oh, my son. You are welcome. You are welcome. Pull your shoe. Pull your shoe. Woo! So what brings you to my domain?
Baba, you are here sleeping.
I'm not sleeping.
Why my roof is on fire? Baba, my
son.
eyes have seen my ears.
I know. I know.
My late brother's wife and her children don't want me to have peace in this village.
What did I hear you say?
My late brother's wife and her children, they are disturbing me, Baba.
Oh, okay, so with me on my oboe.
She came to me last night. She came to tell me about how she wants to sell the only piece of land my late brother left for me.
The only what?
Baba, the only piece of land
that rightfully belongs to you.
That rightfully belongs to
me. Impossible.
According to our tradition, I believe after my brother is dead, I'll be the next person to take over his property.
Very sure. You are correct. since 2 years now that my brother died. I've been battling and fighting for that land. Battling and fighting with that woman. Baba, that is not my problem. The only problem I have right now is she wants to sell that land, use the money to send her son to Bodoibo.
So go and do what?
He wants to read and study medical doctor.
Error. Impossible.
Baba.
I will not condone that.
Baba.
I will not condone that.
Baba.
What exactly do you want me to do to that boy?
Baba, I don't want to kill anybody.
Okay.
I don't want blood to stain my hand.
So what do you want me to do?
Baba, I want him to be useless.
To be useless?
I want him to be stealing from one place to another. I want him to forget what is called medical doctor.
Are you done?
My brother's wife came to my house to mock me. This is pain. Because I've not sent my son to Bodoibo, she wants to send her son to Bodoibo.
It's okay, my son. Let the action begin. Azano! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Vai dar win winner. Vai! My son.
Yes, Baba.
I've sent 500 demons to control him. He will even forget the name, medical doctor. Go, it is done.
Baba, I will not doubt you. I believe what you have just told me. Come back to give you a good news.
Thank you.
Baba, I'm going.
Thank you. Oh! Osefo!
Why did you shatter my dream of becoming a medical?
Now this man shatter my dream. Now this man no
I killed Edda Matthew.
Hey!
I said this man says a very good boy.
Yes, Mama.
When you get to the city, please be wise, and be very prayerful. Do you understand? Don't forget where you are coming from.
Mama, who forget?
You see what happened in this family. Be very prayerful.
Oh, but that man go sweet too.
Hey, brother me.
Don't worry, Mama.
Mama.
Brother,
where are you going now? What is this
I'm
for
going
here?
to the city.
Hey, brother is leaving us. I said it. One day someday, this guy here,
Look at you.
will become a native doctor.
No, put up correction.
You're a man.
A medical doctor. A medical doctor.
Mama, I said it.
I said it now.
Brother, I've always supported you. You know, brother.
That's why I like as my brother. You know, I don't like too much talk. You understand? I know that.
Where are you two coming from? Where are you two coming
Fun.
Let's go, my dear.
I'm going now.
Marcel,
To take good
don't
care of
forget
Mama.
also.
Please take good care of Mama.
So you know we are the royal rangers of this house.
It's
So-
sure you will try to take care of me because she has been a good girl. She's cooking at the kitchen right now. This one's.
Very soon we'll come and meet you in the city.
Mama, let's
Mama,
go.
don't worry.
Let's
We will
go.
run the native doctor with you.
Not
Sorry,
now.
the medical doctor.
Medical
Medical doctor, yes.
Thank you.
Medical
Brother,
doctor.
jam no go.
Marcelo!
Ego n'ije n'ụwa anyụkwu ebughị igbo na anyụkwu ebughị igbo na anyụkwu ebughị igbo na n'iyi onye na-enwe n'ihe ya ije nta nwanne ya pụta n'ụzọ wese n'ebe nwanne ya yiri ọbanụ
Wetin happen?
For once, can you just calm down for once? Grateful.
Oh Lord! Look at off key. Freedom.
brother.
Do you know there are many mistakes in this family?
Brother, which of the mistakes?